Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to go through how to do some Tableau data prep and how to get the data in this format that's more user-friendly for the Tableau, and then how to do union and also how to unpivot the data. In today's video, I'm going to use a worldwide population dataset, and in this dataset, all the population is split by country and age group, as you can see in the Excel. And also there's like the year columns with 2000 all the way up to 2030. And they are split into different columns. And for demonstration purpose, I also have two tabs with males population and also female population. I'm going to use this dataset to show you how to do union and pivoting in Tableau. First, I will import the original version, the total tab, into Tableau, and I will show you how this is affecting the analysis in Tableau. So as you can see here in the dataset, once you imported it, we can see a years by columns. So each year, each column representing a year. You can see that, so there's like 30 columns of years population. And if you go to sheet 1 now, we can still do analysis. So if I drag all the years to rows, or is that if we drag it to columns? So as you can see here, all the population is split into years, and there's 30 columns in this graph. And you can see they are all in different axes. And if you drag country here now, you can still see the population, but each country will have like one population for each year, so they are all in different boxes. As you can see, they are not in the same axis, and this is not very good for analysis and for doing the graphs because it's not under the same axis and you can't get a smooth line or bar chart. So if we now go back to the data source. So now if we highlight all the years column, so from 2000 to 2030, then right click, and as you can see there's a pivot option here. If we click that, Tableau will help you to unpivot all the data. So all the years will now be in one column and their corresponding value will be in another column. So if we now rename the columns, so it's easier for us to find it afterwards. We call it year, and then we can call this population. Now, if we could go to a new sheet, as you can see now, we only have 1 year. In the first version, we have a column for each of the year. So we have this visualization here, which we don't want. We want ideally to have all the years in one axis. So once we pivot the data set, we only have 1 year column. So if we drag that to columns, then we can drag population to rows, and then you will get a one clean bar chart with all the years in the same axis. We can also change this to a line chart. And if we go back to the Excel worksheet, you can see there are two different tabs with male and female population, and they are in the exact same format. And for analysis purpose, we would also want to group them into one dataset so we can analyze in a better way. So now I'm going to show you how to put these two datasets together in one big dataset. So we go back to Tableau. So if we now drag female into the pane, so if we click on male and then drag it under female, and you can see when you drag it over female, you can see there's a union options. So if you drag that here, then you should now get female, both female and males. To double check your union, you can click on this arrow and then edit union. So you can see there's like two different sheets here. It's like female and male. And click OK. We would also want to unpivot the data so that we have a year column. And rename the field again. And now we have sex field in the column, year, and population. So we drag year to columns again, population to rows. Now drag sex into colors. And now you will get a clean bar chart with a bar representing a year and also each bar splitting into female and males. If you want, you can also change the bar chart into line chart. So you can see there will be two lines, one for representing male and one representing female, with everything all in one axis. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And yep, we'll see you next time.